Welcome back to yet another review of one of these nice Sanlida bows. Sanlida bows. This is now the Recurve Royal X8. Let's see what we get there. Really, this plastic material here is heavy duty, so this is packed really premium. I like these things, you know, when something is nice made. Takes a little to unbox, but hey, it's worth it. Wow, look at this, huh? That's really sturdy. I like this. So, look at this, what we get here. Sanlida Archery again. Ay, ay, ay. Today we have a little noise outside there. Box is a little damaged, but it should not do harm to the content. Did it open somewhere? No. So, and what you get again, as expected now, as we know now already from Sanlida. I really like the longbow. Look at this. I mean, why does not everybody make it like this? Look at this. You get a really nice pack again. Opens only until here. And then what you get again. Look at this. It's really impressive. So we get the manual. We get the glove. We get the arm guard. We get the arrow tips. We get the stringer. We get a string, and we get the string silencers. Incredible. The whole set. So this we don't need. And we get a bow. And of course the arrows. And look. Jesus. Nice. The Royal X8. Okay, feather could be a little longer, but it's nice, and it's a 35 pounds again. And it's a beautiful bow. Handle feels just great. You have already the felt on it. Now I get a delivery. Looks like. Back in a sec. I am back. A beautiful. Look at this, nice. Pretty. And again, $149.99 or something. So $150, and you get a full set again, arrows, bows, arbor guard, everything. Wow. Oh, yeah, let's see. Not too detailed here. 59. What should be the string length? 60. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, with the thing, most probably it's 60. That's okay. Maple and fiberglass again. And I said $149.99. Shipping to the US is free. Pretty. Shall we string it? That makes sense. You get this nice string, which is again tied at the ends together. Interesting for sure. So let's see. Look at this, and now we untie it here. I guess. If not, we need to. So not so easy this time. Oi. My blade is dirty. And so, of course, you could use now your stringer, which is included. but you know, nice. Feels good. $150. So, and the longbow was already nice, as said, performed nicely. I guess this one will perform even better. 35 for modern. And the tips are nice and small again, lightweight. Nice. So, brace height sounds good. Ooh. Summon some demons, huh? 6.5, so we need to adjust a little more. But it's... So I adjust the brace height, I assemble the arrows, and then we go from there. Yeah. Now let's see, the arrows are the same. Bow is looking good. Now we have a brace height of almost 8 inches. Bow feels good so far. Draws, oh, it draws nice. Nice. So speed-wise, I would say we are roughly with the longbow. But, wow. Again, just wow. Awesome. It's a brilliant bow. Shall I show you again? Of course. Look at this. First 6 shots. Awesome. If I would be you, I would get directly both the longbow and this recurve bow. These are just wow. And if somebody tells you now for your posture you need to stand sideways only, it's of course not true. Otherwise every Korean and every Manju would be wrong who stands like this, and you need to be capable of shooting in this position too. And having a good posture. So posture is not the orientation of your body to the target. So don't be fooled. Look at this nice bow. And once you focus a little, this thing is precise. And draws really nice. Oh, I ruined the shot. Holy cow, this bow draws nice. So let's see. 28 is nice, 29, 30. Gets stiff again, like with the longbow, exactly the same. Nothing more to say, get one. I'm seriously impressed with the performance and price value of this bow set. Look at this. Bow just works. Once I focus a little, then the arrows really go there where I want them to. Oh, that was a bad shot. You saw that. No back tension. Oh, nice. Awesome. I wanted to cut. So keep it, you know, Mediterranean, Asiatic. Don't mix them. Beautiful bow. Look at, I mean, wow. Look at this bow. It's just pretty. And what I like, that the tips are not overkill like we have on some other bows. Really nice. The bow in this direction is, and in this direction not so much. So even for a beginner, this one is easy to handle. I like a lot. Let's see what we get here. I guess kind of like the same. Maybe a little better because less weight, you know, the limbs. 143, yes, see. 134, 139, 135, 138. But it's 133 to be expected with, again, we are 16 grain per pound. Now we try 280 grain. They are of course way too underspined. 184. 187. So 190. A bit too lightweight, the other's a little too heavy for my taste, but you see what the speed. In case of the recurve bow, I would say you could go easy with a little more lightweight arrows, so 7 or 8. With the longbow I would stick to 10 maybe, but of course in the beginning you stick not to these ones because they come with it. So you're at 16 grain per pound. But incredible. Brilliant. $150, guys. Get the longbow, get the recurve bow for your clubs, get directly a few of these sets. It doesn't get any better. Let's shoot it with my 28-inch long arrows, which I use for my mini X's. There's 800 spine. They're 260 grain, even more lightweight, and 700 spine. So let's see. Wow, just perfecto. So that. And this speed. And it doesn't feel like dry firing, so this bow can handle that. Easy. So then this bow is even more fun now compared to these ones here. Yeah, it's nice, you know. But so, go away. 260 grain, 700 spine. Perfect arrow. Look at this. And the speed you get with this one. Wow. And you feel only a little in the handle. So I guess this bow can handle that. Maybe it's a little too lightweight. But you really order directly one. Packaging, don't have to tell you again what is all included. Everything is 10. Handling this bow easy as it just doesn't. It's torque resistant enough, you know. With these recurves sometimes they're a little here, but this one, even for a beginner, wow, 10. The build we had already, it's just, wow, 10. Basic feel of this bow is incredible. Fits in your hand, is not too heavy. By the way, it's 735 grams. And this bow just feels right. 10. Draw experience. 28, 29, 30. So this one draws nicer than the longbow, so that's why I give it 10. And shooting experience of this bow is just, for the price you pay, 10, 60 points. Price value 5. I have nothing more to say. I mean, I could say now, I could go on forever. I mean, not my kind of bows, you know, but if I, you know, told you that most probably I might have something to teach again, and I will teach in 3 fingers too again. This one, ladies and gentlemen, is a recurve bow, really worth considering. A beautiful bow, very well crafted. The Royal X8. What can I say? What should I say? Get one or two. In different poundages, they are just worth it. For this price you get a whole set with the arrows. Yes, for me they are too heavy, but for a beginner it's fine. And then later you get some more lightweight, maybe a little less spine, like this 700, maybe 600 would be fine. Then there are 280, 290 grain, 28 inches long, and this thing is just a beast. I did not expect that. And it's really well made. Quality control, top notch, this company. Which is important for Chinese companies, as we know. Awesome. And handle is just smooth. Smooth, and it lays in there. And here it doesn't hurt, so it doesn't apply pressure on the thumb knuckle here. It lays just in here nicely. Wow. So guys, really, I leave the link in the description. Get directly a few. I don't know how long they have this on the starting offer. Then this bow will be 199 again. Go check it out. So thank you very much, Sanlida Archery, for sending this bow. It's really a nice bow, and I expected that after the longbow and the performance of the longbow, that the recurve bow might be even nicer, and it is nicer. It's insane. Thank you for sending. So, and you all please click down there on subscribe, on like, write me a nice comment, and thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one.